Hello guys, it's me Amman and welcome to my channel Tech Unbox, and today I'm gonna unbox MI Fitband HRX edition. It has MI branding over here. As you can see, this is the watch. You can connect this to the phone with the Bluetooth. And so let's start the unboxing. Let me open the box. So here it comes the main display, as you can see over here. We zoom it. This is the main display. And then let me open and let's check the inside contents. So here we get a band, and then we have a user manual, as you can see, and then here comes the charger, USB to something, and then comes the main thing, the watch. So let me show you this. This is the watch. Let me check if it's on or something. So as you can see, it has my branding over here. I think you can see that. Okay, let me switch this on. So as you can see, it has some battery left. It has a black display and black body, as you can see. And so let me show you how to connect with this with the charger. So this is the charger, and we have to connect this side to the charger, the button side. It's kind of hard. It's very hard. And so here's the user manual. It has a barcode to download the app. As you can see, it has some feature showings. And here comes the band. It is a black color and it has a HRX branding over here, as you can see. And then let me install the app, my app, and so the app is getting installed. My band, sorry fit. Let me install this. This is getting installed. So as you can see here, it's getting installed. So here it comes. Let me open this. Let me quickly set this up. I'm logging in this with my account because I'm an MI user. So let me sign this up and quickly set it and be back to you. So I have set this up thing. As you can see, I can set the lock with this. There's my pattern. If I bring my band close to my phone will not work. As you can see. And then over here we can enable the calls. It will display the names over here and or the number. And then we can set alarms, and then we can get any app updates or something. and we get the WhatsApp messages on this. We can set our weight goals over here, and it has many interesting options. And then here are the steps we would like to walk. We would like to complete like a goal. And here is my weight over here. And then this is to set our goals, to set the map and just run. We have treadmills, do cycling and walking and stuff. And then here we can connect many other things in this app. And then here comes my account. So let me show you some other features from this thing. To find the band, we can just press this and the band will vibrate and it will get on. And we can set our band location over here. As you can see, band location. If you wear it in left, we can put it in left, and if we need it in right, we can put it in right. And here we have some features. And then we have time format over here. This is the default one and this is the custom one. This is default, which I'm clicking right now. As you can see, the time format has been changed. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, please share and subscribe.